Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to introduce how to control our relay board through a web page. We will use Arduino IDE to write code. So first we need to install Arduino IDE and we need to install the ESP32 board. After we install the board, we can write the code. First we need to add some library files. First one is Wi-Fi. And the second one is Wi-Fi server, web server. The third one is PCF 8574. Because our relay is controlled by PCF 8574 chip, so we need to add this library. Next, we need to define our SSID and password. This is your router's name and password. And input your router's name, like mine is this one. And input your password, your router's password. This is my password. Next, we need to create an instance of web server. And the support is 80. And we need to create another instance of PCF 8574. We need to input the address and the SDL and SCL pins. This is the address. And address this one. Our board is 24. And the SDA pin is GPIO 4. SCL pin is GPIO 15. So we need the input 4 and 15. Okay, now we create the web server and the PCF 8574 instance. Next, we can start to write the main program in setup. Firstly, we can set the serial port baud rate. And next, we need to set the Wi-Fi. Then we need to check if the connection is successful. If the connection is not connected, reconnect after 500 milliseconds, like this. And print Wi-Fi connecting. If it is connected successful, then we can print Wi-Fi connected. Also, we need to print the IP address. In this way, the Wi-Fi configure is done. Next, we need to initial the PCF 8574. We need to set the pins to output mode. And we have 6 pins, so we need to set these 6 to output. Next, we need to initial the server, so we set like this. So the server configure is done. This means when we use the server home function, when accessing the root path, call the handle root function to handle the request. And in loop function, we need to write such a command to handle the request from the network clients. So far, we have done all the code, but we are call the handle root function. So we need to write a handle root function. If we don't write anything here, after entering the IP on web page, nothing will be displayed. So we will add a title here. This means when we open the web page, it will show Web Control ESP32. Now we can download the code. It's uploading. Now we can see the IP address. Now the IP address is this one. Copy it. So we can see this title. web control ESP32, but we want to control the relay through the web page, so we need to add another function. Here we need to call another function. We define a function relays SW, and we need to write the function. In this function, we first correct a string state. It means the state's value is the value of a relay passed from the web page when the value is equal to on1. Then turn on the relay and return relay 1 is turned on. So the code is like this: equals on1. Then we open the relay. Low is on and high is off. If it is if state is off 1 equals off 1, it sets the PIO to high. High means off. And at the same time, we will show you the relay 1 is turned on. So we need to send this message. And if it is off, we need to send relay 1 is off. Now we can download the code and try again. Now uploading. It's done. We can see the IP address is this one. No change. Okay. If we input the IP address, it will show you web server control ESP32 is this one. And now we will add relay, where we will add states like this. States and relay. When it equals on1, if we print enter, it will open relay 1. If we input off 1, the relay will off and it will show you relay 1 is off. So far, we have completed the function of web control, but in this way, it's relatively cumbersome and it needs to input on or off to realize the control. If we operate by clicking a button, I think it will be simpler. So in next video, we will introduce how to control the relay board through a button set on the web page. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.